Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.6, Problem 13. This is Section 2.6, Problem 13. It says subtract the fractions, and we have 34 over 50 minus 21 over 50. So the numbers are starting to get sort of big for this problem, but it's not too bad. The denominators are the same in both fractions in my question, so I'll keep the same denominator in my answer. It'll be 50. Now I can just combine the numerators, 34 minus 21. Now if those numbers are all too big and you're not comfortable subtracting them in your head, you just go off to one side and just do it out. So 4 minus 1 is 3, and then 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 13. So my answer is 13 over 50. Next, you want to see if that can be reduced at all, and it turns out that it cannot. There are no numbers that divide into both 13 and 50 evenly, so this answer is in its most reduced form, 13 over 50.